All right, let's get those files moving with PairDrop.net. It's super easy, like passing a note to a friend, but for files across your devices. First off, PairDrop is a web-based tool, so you don't need to install anything. It's all about quick, secure file transfers using your browser, whether you're on a phone, laptop, macOS, Linux, Windows, or tablet. It works great for local networks. All devices should be on the same Wi-Fi network. Grab the device you want to send files from and the one receiving the files. Open a web browser on both and head to PairDrop.net. You'll see a clean interface with a big area for dragging and dropping files. No signups, no fuss, just straight to the action. Each device gets a random fun name, like Sneaky Fox or Happy Cactus, displayed on the screen. To send any files, just drag and drop the files right onto device name in the browser. You can send images, videos, PDFs, or even text. Multiple files at once, no problem. It's peer-to-peer, so your files go straight from device A to device B. Encrypted with WebRTC for security. No cloud nonsense involved if you're on the same network. If you're using a phone, just simply tap the device you want to send files with, then navigate the actual file you want. Then on receiver side, just click the accept button. That's about it, everyone. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.